Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good afternoon, opposing counsel and member of this court. My name is Roberto, and I'm the attorney representing Ms. Jones on this motion to reopen. My client has been a lawful permanent resident in the United States for the past 14 years. She have no criminal records, and she have been living with her family, with her husband and the 2 kids. And she got arrested and deported by ICE based on the arguments that her husband was involved in criminal activities of drug dealing. That was the reason she got deported. She have not received any notice of a hearing or anything, which should be granted immediately due to the circumstances of that everyone has has the right for a free hearing, which have not happened on this case. And we also see here that the standards for reopening a case, where you should bring materialistics, new facts, which is exactly what is happening here. My client has a former attorney, which she have sent a letter letting him know houses on the executive one, requesting him to update her address on the USCIS website, with probably her attorney has probably not done it. Reasons why we are here to ask this motion to be reopened. It is unfair for a lawful permanent resident with no criminal records being deported without having the right of a fair hearing due to the circumstances of a malpractice of her attorney. The Board of Immigration Appeals has the authority to review a decision when has some materialistic facts where it leads to unfair decision. We have a matter of Miguel Gonzalez from a decision from 2014, unpublished, that the Board of Immigration Appeal reopened the proceedings over the Department of Homeland Security, opposing to permit the response to submit an application for canceling the removal, where the person asked the judge to reopen her case due to the same circumstances. When the client requests her attorney to update her address, he haven't done so, and the client is unfairly deported by the ICE, separate from her family, and has to face the circumstances. And now my client is held in Canada, separate from her family, separate from her kids. If there's someone related to the criminal activities, that should be held responsible, but not my client. My client should be united with her family, has the right of free hearing to defend herself and prove that she have no relation with the crimes that she's being counted for, and be able to return to the United States to be reunited with her family. So, based on the foregoing, respond the request for motion to reopen to be granted, so the response can have the right of a fair hearing and defend herself in court in order to make further decisions. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, everyone.